Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to share this beautiful collection of stylish and adorable crochet baby dress designs for babies from 0 to 3 years old. If you love handmade crochet creations or you're looking for inspiration for your next project, then you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these amazing designs. Crochet baby dresses are always special because they combine beauty, comfort, and creativity. Every dress in this collection has its own unique style, making it perfect for different occasions. Whether you're creating a dress for your own baby, making a thoughtful handmade gift, or looking for fresh crochet ideas, you'll find plenty of inspiration throughout this video. As you watch, you'll notice a variety of patterns, colors, and stitch combinations. Some dresses feature elegant lace details, while others have lovely textured stitches, delicate ruffles, beautiful flowers, and charming bows. These little details make each dress stand out and give it a unique handmade touch. One of the best things about crochet baby dresses is how versatile they are. They can be worn for birthdays, family gatherings, church, baby showers, holiday celebrations, or even as comfortable everyday outfits. With the right choice of yarn, these dresses are soft, breathable, and gentle on a baby's delicate skin, making them both beautiful and practical. You'll also see different color combinations in this collection, from soft pastel shades like pink, cream, white, lavender, and baby blue to brighter colors that create a cheerful look. There's something here to match every taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite colors, because even a simple pattern can look completely different with a new color combination. If you're an experienced crocheter, these designs can inspire your next handmade masterpiece. And if you're just starting your crochet journey, don't worry. Many of these styles can be recreated by learning basic crochet stitches and gradually adding decorative details as your skills improve. Crochet is a wonderful hobby that allows you to create beautiful keepsakes with love and patience. Handmade crochet baby dresses are also meaningful gifts. If you're enjoying this collection, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crochet inspiration, including baby dresses, sweaters, cardigans, blankets, granny square projects, and many more beautiful crochet ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. I hope this collection has inspired you with fresh ideas for your next crochet project. Keep creating, keep sharing your creativity, and most importantly, enjoy every stitch. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!